It's Chad with Drive the Lightning, the positively charged YouTube channel, talking about some great tech that you might want to add to your car like we've added to ours. And this is the Dashcam by Viofo, the A229 Plus specifically. We've been testing this out for quite some time. It's an amazing device. You're recording 3 cameras at once. You got behind you, in front of you, and in the cabin. And here's something that's cool that you might not expect. The back camera is 2K. It's not a 1080p. And the front camera is a 2K, and the interior camera is still high def at 1080, and there's a built-in microphone, and there's just so many use cases for a great dash cam like this. What I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to let you see the results of it. I'm just going to play a video of all 3 cameras that work at once while I describe some of the features that make the A229 Plus special. Okay, here's some facts about the camera that I think you'll find interesting. As I mentioned, the A229 Plus features 2K resolution front and a 2K resolution rear with a 1080p interior camera. The interior camera is equipped with 4 LED lights around it, so even in a low light situation, you can still get really good lighting and good footage, usable footage. The HDR tech that the A229 Plus supports means you get really good balance in extreme bright, extreme dark, and you avoid like the overexposure and graininess that you get. This dash cam has voice control. You can just tell it what to do, and you don't have to worry about messing around and getting yourself in a dangerous situation by not focusing on what you should be focused on, which is the road. So there you go. You can see the results for yourself on the screen. Make your own decision and what you think. We're impressed, and we're not easily impressed. I think you know that. And what if you want to hardwire it? The Dashcam hardwire kit is amazing because now you've got power constantly going to the device, which means parking mode where people walk by, it can turn on and start recording, or a car comes by, it can turn on and start recording as you go. It's really easy to set up. There's nothing to it. Whether you hardwire it or you just choose to use the cables it comes with to plug it into a AC outlet, plug the back camera in, the front camera in, either way you do it. It's very easy to set up. One thing that we found is that when you look at the device itself, you can certainly use the display on the device, which is amazing. It'll show you all 3 cameras at once if you want. What I have found, though, is the angle I mount it at on my windshield on the BMW i3. I find that a little difficult to see, but even more so, their app is so easy to use. So go to the Viofo app, download that. You can connect it through Wi-Fi to the device, and you can see all 3 cameras. You can start and stop recording. Any setting you want to play with, it's there. It's amazing. We also use the polarizing lens. This just simply pushes right onto the front-facing camera. That way with glare, sunlight, and so forth, you're just going to do a lot better. And what about the auto quality? Here's a little clip here just showing you the real-life auto quality, not staged. We're not using any external mics. We're driving with road noise. And here's an idea. That's exactly what it sounded like. This audio right here is being recorded 100% on the A229 Plus. So what it sounds like is what it sounds like. I've got some road noise here. I got the wife here.
Hi.
And this is what it sounds like. So if you're curious with the interior, I think you'll agree that it's certainly legible and clear. It's not like it's studio audio recording or something, but it fits your purpose for needing to record what's going on.
Yeah, you would be able to hear if like people were plotting something in the back seat. Then you could be like, hey, what's going on back there?
Kids are acting up, and then you're like, who said that? They're like, I didn't say it. And then you're like, I'll go home and roll the tape, kids.
Well, the tape will show what happened.
I will pull
this is happening.
SD card when we get home, and we'll know exactly who said. So if you're really into making sure your kids don't get away with things, this is the device for you. Yeah. Nobody's getting away with anything in the back seat. If you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or you have children, the audio will pick up the back seat just fine. So that's it. An amazing piece of tech for your EV or any car, I suppose. The A229 Plus from Viofo. We think this thing is amazing, impressive. There's a link in the description, but I want to make this clear. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not showing you this to make money. I'm showing you this because I tested it myself at their request and found it to be an amazing product. If it's something you're interested in, you can click on that link and get a little bit off because you watch the Drive the Lightning channel. Again, not an affiliate. We're not doing it for the money. We're doing it because it's cool tech that we like and we want you to know about. Thanks for being here. We appreciate all of you for watching, subscribing, commenting, the members of the channel who keep the wheels turning on the Positively Charged YouTube channel, all those who have bought us coffee recently. You don't know how much those, what really amounts to a donation. Let's face it, you're just giving us money. We appreciate it. It buys cameras, it buys lights, it pays for travel. It allows us to spend time doing testing on products and cat litter, cat food, and oh yeah, coffee. Everything is because of you. Thank you for being a part of this with us.